What's up, junkies? Welcome back to another episode of the Credit Repair Junkies podcast. I'm your host, Bruce Politano, and today we're diving into a topic that every single credit repair business owner needs to understand: how to stand out in a crowded credit repair market. Let's keep it real. The credit repair industry is flooded. There are thousands of companies out there, and to the average consumer, most of them look, sound, and feel the exact same. So the question is, how do you stand out? How do you rise above the noise? How do you make people pick you instead of the guy down the street or the big company running ads everywhere? That's what we're going to break down in today's episode. I'm going to give you the strategies, the mindset, and the systems you need to position your credit repair business so uniquely that you're not competing in a sea of Me Too companies. So grab your notebook because today you're going to want to take some notes. All right, let's get started with some tough love. If you're in credit repair right now, you are in one of the most competitive industries in financial services. Why? Because it's relatively easy to start a credit repair business. There's a low barrier to entry and everyone thinks they can do it. That means you've got kitchen table businesses starting up every week and you've got to compete with massive companies with massive budgets dominating the space. So the consumer is getting hammered with offers and pitches and ads all day long. And here's the kicker. To most consumers, every credit repair company sounds the same. Think about it. We fix your credit. We help you boost your score. We'll get the negative items removed. Does that sound familiar? That's because almost every company says the same exact thing. So if you want to stand out, the first step is recognizing this. Being good at credit repair is not enough. You need to be good at business, at branding, at marketing, at building a unique client experience. If you don't, you will get lost in the noise. So let's talk about how to avoid that. Here's the first major shift. Stop selling credit repair. Nobody wakes up in the morning saying, man, I just wish somebody would fix my credit today. What they actually want is the results of credit repair, the ability to buy a home, to get approved for a car loan, to qualify for business funding, to stop being denied for apartments, to finally breathe without debt collectors calling. That's the transformation. That's the story. That's the outcome. When you position yourself as just another credit repair company, you sound like everyone else. But when you position yourself as the guide who helps people achieve the life they want, you stand out. So instead of saying we fix credit reports, you say we help families get mortgage ready. We help entrepreneurs unlock business funding. We help single moms qualify for safe housing. See the difference? It's not about the process. It's about the transformation. If you only take one thing from this episode, take this. Don't sell credit repair. Sell the dream outcome your clients want. Next, pick a niche. Riches are in the niches. So let's talk about niches. One of the biggest mistakes credit repair business owners make is trying to serve everyone. You know what that makes you? Generic. Instead, you need to niche down. Here are some powerful niches inside credit repair. Mortgage-ready clients. Partner with loan officers and help their denied applicants get approved. Car buyers. Partner with auto dealerships to help clients to get denied financing. Entrepreneurs, help business owners get their credit in shape to qualify for business loans. Renters, focus on people getting denied for apartments or housing. When you choose a niche, you speak directly to their pain points. You make your marketing sharper and you build partnerships more easily. Create authority in that space. So instead of just being another credit repair company, you're the go-to expert for mortgage-ready clients. That's how you stand out. Now, here's something most credit repair business owners overlook. People don't trust companies, they trust people. If you want to stand out, you need to show your face, your story, your values. Start telling your story. Why did you get into credit repair? What pain did you go through with that credit? How did you turn it around? When people see you've lived it, they connect. Don't hide behind a logo. Build a personal brand that people can relate to. That means create content with your face on camera. Share client success stories. Share your own journey. Use your social media as an authority platform. In a sea of faceless companies, your personal brand makes you stand out. Remember that content is currency. In 2025, if you're not creating content, you don't exist. Period. Content is a new currency of trust. Think about it. When someone searches credit repair, they see dozens of options. But if they land on your Instagram, your YouTube, your podcast, and see valuable content that actually teaches them something, you instantly build trust. Your competition, they're just running ads. You are building authority. Here's what's to focus on: short form videos, reels, TikTok, shorts, quick tips, myths busted, client stories. Do long form video podcasts, deep dives like this episode, writing posts, storytelling, transformation posts, myth busting, educational lead magnets, free guides, checklists, ebooks. The more value you put out into the world, the more people will trust you. And in a crowded market, Trust is the ultimate differentiator. Let me give you another way to stand out. Partnerships. Your competitors are fighting tooth and nail for Facebook ads and Instagram leads. You can bypass all of that by building partnerships. Think about this. Loan officers get dozens of denied applicants every single month. Realtors lose deals because of clients with bad credit. Auto dealerships turn away buyers daily. What if you became their credit repair partner? Now you're not chasing random leads online. You're getting referrals from trusted professionals. That makes you stand out because instead of being just another credit repair company, you're the company their loan officer personally recommends. Now here's a huge one. Client experience. Most credit repair companies, they sign clients up, disappear, and hope for the best. That leaves a huge opportunity for you. Create a standout client experience. Onboarding, make it smooth, clear, and supportive. Education, teach your clients while fixing their credit. Communication, send updates, celebrate wins, show progress. Support, make it easy for clients to get answers. Here's the truth. People don't remember the service, they remember how you made them feel. If your clients feel supported, educated, and celebrated, they'll never forget you and they will refer you like crazy. Now let's tie all this together with brand positioning. Your brand message should be clear, simple, and unique. Instead of "we fix credit," try "we help families get mortgage ready." "We help entrepreneurs unlock funding." "We help car buyers get approved." Position yourself as the specialist, not the generalist. When people see you as the expert for their specific problem, you instantly stand out. And finally, let's talk about systems. Because here's the thing, you can stand out, you can get clients, but if you can't deliver consistently, you will crash. To truly stand out, you need automation, CRM systems for communications, reminders, and follow-ups, templates and scripts for sales calls, onboarding, and dispute letters, a team or VA support so you're not doing everything yourself. Why? Because consistency is a brand. If every client has the same amazing experience, that becomes your reputation. And in a crowded market, a reputation is gold. So, how do you stand out in a crowded credit repair market? Let's recap. Stop selling credit repair, start selling transformation. Pick a niche and own it. Build a personal brand. Create content because content is currency. Build partnerships with loan officers, realtors, and auto dealers. Deliver an amazing client experience. Position your brand as the specialist, not the generalist. Systematize so you can scale consistently. If you do these things, you won't just be another credit repair company. You'll be the go-to authority in your space. And that's how you thrive even in the most crowded market. Now, if you want clarity on how to apply these strategies to your credit repair business, let's talk. Book a free call. No pressure, no obligation, just clarity on how to launch, grow, or scale your credit repair company the smart way. I'll drop the link in the show notes. Until next time, junkies, keep grinding, keep growing, and remember, standing out isn't about being louder, it's about being smarter. I'll see you on the next one.